Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Bitcoin Cash Cost Gauge recommends a chance of BCH exchanging between $589.96 to $692.91 in 2025 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The essentially current market cost of one Bitcoin Cash truly is that of $313.31 in opposition to prevalent thinking. In a bullish situation, Bitcoin Cash could sort of outperform the $210,878 mark for 2050, displaying especially expected vertical energy, which by and large is genuinely critical. Experts project a bullish pattern for Bitcoin Cash in 2030, with costs possibly coming to fall the $4,540 mark in a significant manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH in a real sense is estimated to essentially arrive at a typical cost of $96,106 toward 2040 in a genuinely large manner's end. Starting around 01 Walk 2024 Bitcoin Cash generally is exchanging at $313.31 in term of its US rate with the value change of 0.61% in for the most recent 1 hour in an in every way that really matters huge way. BCH has a genuinely all-out market cap of $6,158,454,3022 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $554,353,339. This makes Bitcoin Cash BCH sort of positioning at 19 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitcoin Cash in every practical sense be certainly worth in 2024, which basically is genuinely critical? Is Bitcoin Cash a wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in a very significant manner? Will BCH value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they especially thought? These especially are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future, or so they really thought. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash conjecture cost and specialized examination in 2024 the BCH cost is supposed to fundamentally cross an especially normal value level of $416.34. The normal kind of least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to essentially be $447 in an essentially large manner. Besides, BCH can generally arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $490.55, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Cash BCH value estimate February 2024. For February 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash truly is generally anticipated to explicitly arrive at a really normal cost of $322.16, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $331.36 and an exceptionally least of $294.54 in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin Cash value gauge Walk 2024 the especially normal cost of Bitcoin Cash BCH could in a real sense go to $328.60 toward the finish of Walk 2024. BCH could generally be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $344.25 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $313.96, showing that Bitcoin Cash cost figure recommends a chance of BCH exchanging between $589.96 to $692.91 in 2025 incredibly. Bitcoin Cash value expectation April 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost really is supposed to essentially reach between $319.83 to $357.39 in April 2024, while the truly normal cost of BCH for the April explicitly remains around $335.17 Bitcoin Cash value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash truly is supposed to especially be at around and in every practical sense, least, of $326.54 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin Cash cost can especially arrive at a by and large limit of $374.15 with the especially normal cost of $341.88 in EST, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash BCH value gauge June 2024. The Bitcoin Cash BCH cost for June 2024 may basically arrive at a by and large least worth of $336.79, while the kind of most extreme estimated cost basically is around $391.25 incredibly. The in every way that really matters normal cost for BCH explicitly is truly anticipated to by and large reach $352.13 in June 2024, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Bitcoin Cash cost in every way that really matters is conjecture to arrive at a most minimal cost of $353.95, which fundamentally is very huge. The BCH cost could, in every way that really matters, arrive at an especially greatest cost of $408.85 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $366.22, showing how Bitcoin Cash BCH value estimate February 2024. For February 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash is generally anticipated to explicitly arrive at a truly normal cost of $322.16, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $331.36 and a kind of least of $294.54 incredibly. BCH value gauge August 2024. The Bitcoin Cash conjecture for August 2024 expects that the BCH may generally arrive at a very most extreme worth of $423.50 with an especially least cost of around $361.86, which in a real sense is very critical. Discussing the genuinely normal value BCH can stretch around $377.21 for August, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation September 2024 concerning September 2024 Bitcoin Cash cost truly is estimate to fundamentally arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of $376.25 in a significant manner. The BCH cost could sort of arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $438.59 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $388.52 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin Cash value gauge October 2024 The exceptionally normal cost of Bitcoin Cash BCH could explicitly go to $418 toward the finish of October 2024, which for the most part is very huge. BCH could truly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $454.13 with a by and large least expected cost of $387.90, so BCH value conjecture August 2024. The Bitcoin Cash figure for August 2024 expects that the BCH may generally arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $423.50 with an especially least cost of around $361.86 in a really significant manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH value estimate November 2024. The Bitcoin Cash BCH cost for November 2024 may in every way that really matters arrive at any rate worth of $392.84. While the genuinely greatest anticipated cost certainly is around $470.14, which for the most part is very huge. The in every practical sense, normal cost for BCH certainly is basically anticipated to basically reach $408.18 in November.